Hello students, today I'll teach you how to draw a perpendicular using compass. Practice set 39, question number 2. Practice set 39, question number 2. Draw a line AB using a compass. Draw a line perpendicular to AB at the point B. First of all, we need to draw a line AB. A line can be extended from both the sides. So we should draw at the end arrow marks. Now name this line AB. So A and here B. Yes. Now place the compass point on point B to cut two arcs on either side of point B at equal distance. So you can give this intersecting points name as P and Q. Now distance from PB and BQ are equal. Place the compass point at point P, taking more than half distance of this segment PQ. You need to take more than half distance of segment PQ. Draw arc. Now keep the steel point at point Q. Draw another arc. Name this intersecting point as R. Draw line passing through point B and R. You need to draw a line passing through the point BR. Okay. So the line BR is perpendicular to line AB at the point B. Okay. So line BR is perpendicular to line AB. Now we'll see next question. Practice set 40. Question number 2. Practice set 40. Question number 2. Draw a line AB. Take point M anywhere outside the line. Using a compass and ruler, draw a line MN perpendicular to line AB. So we have to draw a line AB. This is line AB. Take a point M anywhere outside this line. Now using compass, take convenient distance and draw arc on this line AB. Okay. You can name this points as CD. CD is a fixed distance. Now take more than half distance of CD. See, this is more than half distance. You can draw arc. Okay, both are intersecting at this point. Draw a line here. Name this point as MN. So this is the perpendicular. Line MN is perpendicular to line AB. Practice set 40, question number 3. Draw a line segment AB of length 5.5 cm. Bisect it using compass and ruler. Okay, so now we have to draw a line segment AB of length 5.5 cm. We cannot measure a line, but we can measure a line segment because line segment has fixed distance. So we need to draw a line segment AB of 5.5 centimeter. AB, and this distance is 5.5 centimeter. We need to draw perpendicular bisector. So take more than half distance of this segment AB. Okay, take more than half distance. Draw arc up and down both the sides. Now keep steel point at point A. Draw another arc. Okay. Name this intersecting point as P and this one as Q. Join point PQ. Draw a line. So line PQ is perpendicular to line AB at point M. So since it is perpendicular, it forms 90 degrees angle, right angle, and the distance of AM is equal to MB. Thank you.